Hi, in this short video we will take a look at how to do keyword research using Google's Keyword Planner. So this is the URL of Keyword Planner, or you could Google it as well. So if you already have an account, it will directly take you to Google AdWords account. If not, you'll be asked to create an account. So when you do get in here, this is the page that it looks like. You could also come here through Tools menu and Keyword Planner. So just ignore the second, third and options for now. For our need to do keyword research, we will just use the first option, that is to search for new keyword and add group ideas. Let's assume that you did your homework and you figured out that gardening is your passion and growing bonsai is something that you would like to have your blog about. So you want to figure out what are the keywords that are being searched for by people. So you include those keywords in your blog in order to get ranked by Google. And the goal here is to identify the keywords that you will be using. So let's say growing bonsai. That's what you will start off with. You could select various categories and subcategories and stuff like that, but you don't need to do that. It'll just narrow down the search. You could basically select any of the locations. I typically pick the top English speaking countries, but you could just have the worldwide. Beyond that, this is for one of the earlier keyword research. I had included few negative keywords. If you want to search for some specific topic but would want to keep away the keywords which are not pertaining to it. For example, if you are searching for cricket the insect and you don't want cricket the game related keywords to come in, then you would enter those keywords here. Alright, and that's it. Basically you can start off just by including your keyword or set of keywords. You can have several, one after the other, and just say get ideas. Now this will show you the trend for the keyword that you've entered, and in this case it's an increasing trend, which is good. So the searches have been increasing, and add group ideas is not what you want. What you want is keyword ideas. So the exact phrase has about 320 monthly searches. The competition here is the competition for these search terms in AdWords. So the advertisers are competing for the search terms, and if the competition is higher, you will see typically a bigger suggested bid amount here. Okay, so related to bonsai, here are certain keywords: bonsai tree, how to grow bonsai, how to grow one bonsai tree, and you will see the average monthly searches for the selected locations you have selected here, or just the global if you have not given any specific locations. So you can basically look at these. You can order in ascending or descending order based on any of these columns, and you can see the potential for earning revenue. But keep in mind that just because the monthly searches are more, it doesn't mean that those are good keywords. It probably means that there is a lot of competition. There are a lot of sites and pages out there that you need to outrank to come on the first page of Google. Nevertheless, it will give you all the specific keywords that you can use. I mean, if you look at this bonsai, right? Bonsai probably was the primary keyword, but then you will have this stump grinder and tree trimming, certain keywords which are used in the context of bonsai that you can include, or you should include in your blog. So this is typically how you will use AdWords tool, Keyword Planner.